Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As always, it depends on when you're watching. This morning we left the place we stayed, Arten Hotel, was it?
Eton Hotel.
Eton Hotel. We stayed there for 4 nights, almost. No, for 4 nights.
4 nights.
Was an amazing spot, was free spot. They had a nice shower, nice toilet, almost for ourselves. But today is the day to travel on, and now we are in Arley Beach. In Arley Beach, apparently, you've been warned for, there are stingers in the sea, kind of jellyfish, but they really hurt. They advise you to wear a stinger suit so you can protect yourself against them. But if you still want to swim in the sea or salty water or something like that, they have built a lagoon, and the lagoon looks like that. This is a lagoon. There are lifeguards, so everything is safe. I'm getting a bit the creepish, how do you call that? I think it's over-regulated, but I'm just a bloody tourist, what do I know? Perhaps the stingers are really dangerous. I don't know. I don't know. It looks nice. That's the other side.
Ik vind dat het wel leuk eruit ziet. En ja, natuurlijk is de zee echt fijner, maar dan denk je als er niemand in de zee zwemt. Ik weet het vandaag nog niet hoor. Misschien dat ik straks wel hier er gewoon eventjes in spring. In Arley Beach. Tegenover White Sunday Beach. Moet hier ergens. White Sunday
Island.
Sorry. Moet hier ergens liggen. Volgens mij ben jij, Henrike, daar naartoe gevlogen, als ik het goed begrepen heb. We hebben nog gekeken om met de ferry eventueel daarheen te gaan. En boot, eventueel daar te overnachten. Maar nou ja, het is weekend. En misschien ook door vakantie, dat weet ik eigenlijk niet. En het is ook allemaal vol. En nou, hadden we natuurlijk niet op tijd geregeld. Maar aan deze kant vind ik het ook helemaal prima. Dus ik zeg toppie.
Ik zeg, we say doei.
We say doei.
Even zwaaien. Doei.
We say doei.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As normal, it depends on when you're watching. Yesterday we had a stay at the back of a motel. Had a lovely dinner. We ordered the ribs, were perfect. Didn't sleep that well. It was a little bit noisy with animals and trains, but today is a new day. And we've decided, along the road in the whole of Australia, you see warning signs of koalas and crocodiles and wongbongs and horses, I don't know what, but we don't see them. So today we visit a park, and in the park there should be everything that you've been warned for. So we will see crocs, we will see koalas, we see, I don't know what we see, more kangaroos I guess. So that's what we're going to do.
Ja. En we zijn heel vroeg, nou ja, sowieso zijn we altijd natuurlijk vroeg wakker, om 6 uur zaten we al aan de koffie. Maar om 8:45 worden de koalas gevoerd. Dus we hadden zoiets, nou laten we ook echt hier om 9 uur zijn. Dan zijn we op tijd. En het is volgens mij helemaal niet zo druk. Want alle Australiërs zijn altijd vroege vogels. Maar lijkt me nu ook niet. Dus we gaan eens even kijken.
You will see. We see doei.
We zien doei.
Here they are, the koalas. Yeah, well, first one we see actually alive. Sad it has to be in a zoo, but well, now we can say we've seen them.
Ja.
They're really cute.
Kijk dan. Oh, wat leuk hè? Ja, het voelt inderdaad een beetje als vals spelen. Omdat we ze alleen maar... we kunnen ze gewoon in het wild niet vinden. Alleen maar hier. Net zei inderdaad een man van... je kunt ze nu nog in het levend zien, maar voor hoe lang nog? Want ze zijn gewoon nog maar heel weinig. Omdat eucalyptusbomen gekapt worden.
Ja.
Maar kijk, het is echt een cute. Het lijkt wel of hij een luier aan heeft. Ik denk, oh. Ik denk dat hij nu weer gaat slapen of zo. Wat denk jij?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Goedemorgen.
Yesterday we had a little drive. It was a nice drive and we ended up here, another beach. But this beach kind of special. Because as you have seen in the clip just a few minutes ago, they are really, how do you say that? Protective? No, they want to protect you against all kinds of animals like jellyfish, crocodiles. So they have something like this on this beach. It's a netting they have made. So you can swim within the netting. You're protected against the jellyfish, the crocodiles, the stun rays. And it's, it's the first time I'm seeing this. Now it's low tide. So normally the water gets up to where we are standing now, but now it's low tide, so yeah, you have to walk. It's not deep. At the end you can stand. Yeah, something new, never seen that before. Protective area, yeah, where you can swim. So we found another beautiful beach together with Yuki. Today we're gonna drive to our house sitting position, where we look after a dog and a cat for 5 days. Perhaps we go to Cairns to pick up my contact lenses, but we're not sure yet because that's a long drive. Well, another benefit of free camping in Australia is all amenities, all things that are free are really well offered. They are really clean, they are really nice, they're really good to use. And one of the benefits is on a beach like this you have a shower. So what have we done? We just had a little dive in the sea, and now we're going to take a shower. I brought a little shampoo with me, so next time you see me I'm a little bit cleaner.
Nou, volgens mij heeft Ivo al alles verteld en laten zien. Je hebt de beach al laten zien. Had je ook laten zien waar we heel veilig gezwommen hadden?
Ja.
Zodat er geen krokodillen in mijn dikke billen kunnen bijten. Ja. En dat er geen stingers ons kunnen bijten. Dus nou, ik vond dat eigenlijk wel veilig. En ik zei net, joh, ik vind het wel een beetje jammer, want die Australiërs zijn wel heel erg van pas op, pas op, pas op. En natuurlijk, krokodillen moet je echt wel serieus voor oppassen. Maar ik heb begrepen dat die niet in het heldere water zwemmen, dus dat zal nog meevallen. Maar ook die prikken van die stingers van de jellyfish en kwallen, dat die gewoon dodelijk kunnen zijn. Dus ik merk dat ik toch anders in de zee lig. En dat vind ik wel jammer. En ja, dat zit allemaal in mijn hoofd. Maar het is zoals het is.
That's it.
That's it.
We say doei.
We say doei.
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 We were driving up to Cairns, or in the direction of Cairns, and on our way we saw a sign saying, "See our beautiful falls." Well, that's what we want to do. So we're hiking a little bit through the forest and yeah, encounter more water.
Ja. Okay. Dan gaan we even kijken of we een waterval kunnen vinden.
Yep.
Die hebben we al een beeld van. Dus dat gaat toch wel goed komen. Ondertussen worden we alweer.
Yeah, exactly. We're moving. Move. Flies that are stinging are attacking us, so we have to move. As long as we keep moving, we're alright. I say, we say doei. And again, nobody in the woods. You've seen nobody on the beach, now we see nobody in the woods. But this is amazing. Look at the big boulders. It's really beautiful.
En again, als wij hiken, soort van, doen we dat altijd op onze teenkleppers.
Ja.
Dat is de beste manier om te lopen, denk ik.
Look, our flip-flops.
Yeah.
We're always walking on our flip-flops when we walk or do a trail. Perhaps you could make a better choice, but well, keeps your feet dry, I guess, cool, and it's not too bad, to be honest. Well, I guess we're going up, 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 up. See you at the top. We have made it. The humidity is also pretty damn high, just like Asia, so we're used to it. Look, I'm sweating, but this view is really amazing. It makes it all worth. It's nice.
Inderdaad, potti patotti. Ivo zegt altijd, de koppakking is kapot. Nou, dat zie je wel, hè. Maar het is wel super mooi. Helemaal van daarboven. Gaaf.
We say doei!
We say doei! We zwemmen in een van de pools van de waterval en daar gaan we nu naartoe. Kijk nou toch wat mooi. Hier nog. Ik zwem gewoon met jullie daarheen. Misschien hijg ik een beetje. Sorry, kijkers. Ik butste op een rokje. Ik ben ondertussen aan het filmen. Ivo zegt, wat deed je? Nou, we zijn inmiddels uit het water. Dat was nog niet zo heel makkelijk. Want het is mega glad. Ik ga hier eventjes filmen. En nou lopen we naar boven. Dit zijn droge stenen, dus dat gaat helemaal prima. Sorry, excuse me voor de English viewers. Maar ik doe het even in het Nederlands. Ik probeer ook nog gewoon te lopen en te filmen. En we komen wel bij een heel mooi stuk nu. Dit is Ivo. Ook in zijn gewone kleren. We zijn allebei in de gewone kleren. Want natuurlijk hadden we net nu even wat kleding aan. Maar hier zijn we. Dan ga ik even wisselen van camera. Kijk. Hier zijn we. Even draaien naar de waterfall. De waterfall. Kijk, daar is de waterval. Echt weer super gaaf. We say doei!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As always, it depends on when you're watching. We just drove from our home for the last couple of days. How long have you been there, Yoki?
Now 2 days.
2 days, yeah.
3 nights.
2 days, 3 nights. We babysit a little puppy and a cat. It's a nice house with a pool. I will show you later. It gives us time to do a little work on Bob. One of the drawers need to be fixed, so I'm doing that. That where we are staying needed to clean the pool. I've cleaned the pool so we can use the pool. And now we are on our way to do the grocery for tonight. But Yoki, I don't know how it's called. How is the city called? Innisfall?
Innisfall. Yep.
Innisfall. Well, so we're in Innisfall, and well, that's what we're doing for these days. I will post this video, and then you're up to date. Normally you're behind a couple of days, sometimes a week, but then you're yeah, on a point where we are. So for now, I say we will see again later. We say doei. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The last couple of days we stayed in this place because we had to babysit this cute doggy. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Betty. Well, it's Betty.
It's Betty.
Hi,
Betty.
we had to babysit the dog. But at the same time, yeah, we could stay in the house for the last 5 days. We used the pool. We used time to fix Bob. Bob had a little maintenance, drawers, something like that. But it's all fixed. This is actually our last day. I think I'm gonna post this today, so you're, for the first time since a long time, you see a clip where we actually are now. Normally you're a little bit behind. So that's it. From here on we go to Kearns, I think. Kearns, Port Douglas. Snorkeling, perhaps diving. Great Barrier Reef. Tomorrow Yuki is having a birthday.
Wordt 35 jaar.
Yeah, she becomes 35. You wouldn't say that. But
No. Oh, dat kant op, hè?
So yeah, that's what we've been doing the last 5 days. Nothing much around this house. The owner of the house had a little problem, a little leakage. Oh yeah, and we had to look after the cat. The cat is over there. It's Marshmallow. Look what a lovely cat we have. Yeah. Hi Marshmallow. He's a bit shy. Oh, and she's watching the dog. Yeah. The two can really go together very nicely, but well, they manage. And the cat has to go through the water, because that's what I want to show you. They have a little problem, a leakage, and the plumber came, made a hole in the wall over there, and it's constantly leaking water. So well, I had to clean up a little bit. I've done that. Well, that's it. You're gonna see us. We say doei. You wanna wave? You wanna wave? Wave? You wanna say we say doei?
Zal ik say doei zeggen? Op afstand. Jullie say doei.
Doei!